Hello, how are you all? Already we have started chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Already we have completed exercise 2.1 to 2.2. Today we are going to start new exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3, question number 1, find. First question, 1 upon 4 of question number A, 1 upon 4, B, 3 upon 5, C, 4 upon 3. So first we are going to start and we are going to solve first question, 1 upon 4 of A, 1 upon 4, right? So first part is 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4. Okay. So here already you know very well what is the meaning of of. Of it means multiplication, right? So here 1 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 4. Okay. So 1 upon 4 multiply by 1 upon 4. Already you know very well. We will multiply by all the denominator and all the numerator, right? So we will multiply by all the numerator. So 1 multiplied by 1 you can see here, and all the denominators are 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 and 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Okay, so it is your answer. But here this is a proper fraction. आपको पता है कि डिनोमीटर की वैल्यू अगर बिगर नंबर आती है इट मीन्स इट इज अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, राइट? ओके, अंडरस्टूड. सो वी डू नॉट वांट टू डू डिवीजन. ओके, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन द बी क्वेश्चन, 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5, right? So here 1 upon 4 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Okay, you know very well, already I told earlier. So we will multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators, right? Okay, so here I have multiplied here 1 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, again I am repeating beta. We will multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators. So I have multiplied here 1 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3 and 4 5 are 20. Understood? So it is a proper fraction, right? So we do not need to divide 3 divided by 20. Okay, because this is a proper fraction. Okay, now we will move on the question C, 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3, right? Okay, so 1 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3. You know very well what is the meaning of of. Of it means multiplication. Yes or no? Okay, so 1 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3. Here you can see we have multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 upon 4 multiplied by 3. Here in the numerator this is a 4, right? This is the 4. Okay, and in the denominator this is also 4. Both the 4 are same, and here the relationship between these two numbers is multiplication. Understood what I am telling you beta? ये दोनों नंबर के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रिलेशनशिप है. Then and then only you can be cut. Understood? For example, 1 plus 4 upon 4 plus 3. Okay, here the relationship between 1 and 4 is equal to addition. Here the same way 4 and 3, the relationship of 4 and 3 is equal to addition. So you cannot be cut directly. Why? because the relationship between these two numbers is addition. Understood what I am telling you? अगर एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन का रिलेशनशिप दोनों नंबर के बीच में है, you can't be cut directly. But here the relationship between these two numbers is multiplication. Okay, then and then only you can be cut. Understood what I am telling you बेटा? ये दोनों के ये नहीं हम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये हम सीधे सीधा हम कट कर सकते हैं. Why? The relationship between these two numbers is multiplication. Okay, so here beta I have cut 4 and 4. Okay, so remaining number is 1 upon 3. Okay, understood? Now we will move on the question 1 under question number 2. Okay, 1 upon 7 of 2 upon 9. So here 1 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 9. Okay, we will multiply by all the enumerators. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 2 upon 7 multiplied by 9. Okay, so try to reduce the number, but it is not possible, so we will multiply by directly. So 2 1 ja 2 and 7 9 ja 63. So it is your answer and it is a proper fraction. Understood? आपको पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होती है और एनोमिनेटर की वैल्यू कम होती है. उसको हम बोलते हैं प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटा? ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 1 upon 7 of 6 upon 5. Okay, so 1 upon 7 multiply by 6 upon 5. So we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators, right? So 1 multiplied by 6 upon 7 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 6 1 ja 6 and 7 5 ja 35. Okay, so you got the answer is 6 upon 35, and here you got answer 2 upon 63. Now we will move on. 1 upon 7 of 3 upon 10. Okay, we will move on the third question. Okay, see here 1 upon 7 of 3 upon 10. So 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 10. So no one will be cut. So we will multiply by directly. So 1 multiplied by 3 upon 7 multiplied by 10. No one will be cut. Okay, so we will multiply by directly. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3 and 7 10 ja 70. So it is your answer. So here I have completed question number 1. Now we will move on to question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if it is possible. Understood? So here the question number 1, 2 upon 3 multiply 2 integer 2 upon 3. So beta here you can see this is a mixed fraction. बेटा अगर आपको सब में मिक्स फ्रैक्शन दिया गया है, first you need to convert into simple fraction. Understood what I am telling you? What we have to do? We will convert mixed fraction into simple fraction, right? So here 3 2 ja 6 plus 2. Okay, so 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, the 8 upon 3. Understood? So here I have written 2 upon 3 multiplied by 8 upon 3. Directly I have written 3 2 ja 6 plus 2. 8 upon 3 I have written here. Understood? Clear? फिर से दो बार बेटा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. Again I am going to repeat. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 2 8. So 8 upon 3. Okay? Understood? Directly we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. Okay? So 2 multiplied by 8 upon 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 is just 16 upon 9. So beta, it is your improper fraction. So here I have done the 16 divided by 9. So 9 1 ja 9. Okay. So 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So 1 integer 7 upon 9. Okay. So it is your answer. Beta, one thing you should keep in your mind, if the answer is in improper fraction, so you must convert into mixed fraction. This is compulsory. If you will not convert into mixed fraction, so your half marks will be cut in the examination. This thing you should keep in your mind, beta. Understood? Okay. Now, question number 2. 2 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 9. So 2 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 9. We will multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators, right? So 2 multiplied by 7 upon 7 multiplied by 9. Here 7 7 both are same, because why you can be cut directly? Because of these two numbers 7 and 9 and 2 and 7. The relationship is multiplication and division. Then and then only you can be cut 7 7 directly. Understood? ये दोनों नंबर के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रिलेशनशिप है. Then and then only we can cut directly. So 7 7 will be cut. So remaining number is 2 upon 9. So it is a proper fraction. So you do not need to convert into mixed fraction. This thing you should keep in your mind. Okay. Now we will move on the question number 3. 3 upon 8 multiplied by 6 upon 4, right? So 3 upon 8 multiplied by 6 upon 4, all are in the simple fraction. So we will multiply by directly. The 3 multiplied by 6 upon 8 multiplied by 4. Okay. Here beta, can I write 6? Can I write 3 multiplied by 2 instead of 6? 3 to the 6 both are same. Here I have written 2 multiplied by 2. 2 to the 4 instead of 4. Okay. So here you can say 3 multiplied by 6. These 2 and these 2 will be cut. These 2 and these 2 will be cut. So beta, remaining number these 3 and these 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 8 2 ja 16. Understood? So 3 3 ja 9, 8 2 ja 16. Understood? Here I have written, again I am going to beta repeat this step. 3 multiplied by 6. We have written 3 multiplied by 2 instead of 6. Here यहाँ पे 4 है तो मैंने 4 के जगह पे 2 multiplied by 2 लिया. यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है. So we have cut directly. Okay, so remaining number is 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 8 2 ja 16. Understood? Okay. Now we will move on the question number 4. Okay. 9 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Okay. 9 multiplied by 3. 9 multiplied by 3 upon 5 multiplied by 5. So no one will be cut. So we'll multiply by directly. 9 3 ja 27. 5 5 ja 25. So beta, it is an improper fraction. So we must convert into mixed fraction. Understood? So 27 divided by 25. So 25 1 ja 25. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Understood? So what is answer? 1 integer 2 upon 25, which you got answer here. Understood? So 1 integer 2 upon 25. Okay. Now we will move on the question number 5. Okay. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 15 upon 8. Okay. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 15 upon 8. So we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 15 upon 3 multiplied by 8. So beta, can I write 3 multiplied by 5 instead of 15? Because 5 3 are 15. Okay, understood? We have divided into factors. Okay, 3 5 are 15. Okay, here you can see these 3 and these 3 will be cut directly. So remaining number, this 5 and 1, and here 8. So 5 1 ja 5 and 8 1 ja 8. So what is answer? So 5 upon 8. So beta, tell me, this is a proper fraction or not? Yes, this is a proper fraction. Understood? Now we will move on to question number 6. 11 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 10. Understood? So 11 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 10. So we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. Okay? So 11 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 10. So 11 3 ja 33 and 2 10 ja 20. Okay? Here this is an improper fraction. So we must convert into mixed fraction. Okay, so 33 divided by 20, so 20 1 ja 20, 22 ja 40, so 40 will become a biggest number. Therefore, we will use a table of 20 1 ja 20, so 3 minus 0 3, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 1 integer 13 upon 20, which I have mentioned here. Understood? Which I have written here. Okay, so 1 integer 13 upon 20. Okay, and now the 7th question, it is your homework. So you have to do at home. And one thing beta, मैं आपको जो वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, which video currently I am going to make all the notes, all the question which I have explained here, you have to copy in your CW book. Understood what I am telling you? आपको अपनी CW book में ये पूरा क्वेश्चन आपको कॉपी करना है. This thing you should keep in your mind. If you don't understand, you can put message in the comment section box. Yeah, you can contact me directly. So I will give explanation online or by call. Understood? Okay. So now we will move on. Question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. Okay. So 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 5 integer 1 upon 4. So here this is a mixed fraction. You know very well, if in the given question, if the mixed fraction has been given, so what we have to do, we will convert into mixed fraction into simple fraction. Yes or no? Okay. So here 2 upon 5, you know very well, 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4. Okay, so 2 upon 5 multiplied by 21 upon 4. So we will multiply by all the enumerators and all the denominators. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 21 upon 5 multiplied by 4. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 21 upon 5 multiplied by 4. We have written here 2 multiplied by 2 instead of 4, right? Okay, you can see these 2 and these 2 will be cut. Okay, which I have cut that here. Okay, so 21 and remaining number is 1. The 21 1 ja 21 and remaining here 5 and this is 2 तो 5 2 जा 10। बेटा यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, आपको अलग से स्टेप मैंने समझाने के लिए दोबारा मैंने ये स्टेप लिया है। मैंने क्या किया, दिस 2 and these 2 will be cut, the 21 1 जा 21 and here these 5 and these 2, तो 5 2 जा 10। फिर से समझा रहा हूँ बेटा, here you can see 2 multiplied by 21, 5 multiplied by 4. I have written 2 multiplied by 2 instead of 4. Okay, now these 2 and these 2 will be cut. So remaining number is 21 and here 5 multiplied by 2. So 21 1 ja 21 and 5 2 ja 10. Okay, this is the improper fraction. So 21 divided by 10. So 10 2 ja 20. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here 2 integer 1 upon 10, which I have mentioned here, which I have written here. So this is your answer. Okay, now we will move on. Second question. Okay, 6 integer 2 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 9. Okay, so 6 multiplied by 5, 6 5 ja 30 plus 2. So 6 5 ja 30 plus 2, so 32 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 9. Okay, we will multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators. Okay, so 32 multiplied by 7 upon 9, 5 ja 5 multiplied by 9. So here 32 multiplied by 7, if you will do here, so you can understand, sir, आप कैसे लाए, how you will get answer 224. So we have done here. Okay, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21 plus 1 22. So what is answer? 224. Okay, and 9 5 ja 45. Understood? So here 224 divided by 45. So beta, if you will multiply by 45 multiply by 4, so you will get 45 multiply by 4. Okay, 5 4 ja 20, 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 8. समझ में बात आ गई? So 45 4 ja 180. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 and 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Understood? So what is answer? The answer is 4 integer 44 upon 45. Understood what I am telling you? Okay. Now we will move on to question number 3. 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5 integer 1 upon 3. First we will convert into simple fraction. 5 3 ja 15 plus 1. So 5 3 ja 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16 upon 3. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 16 upon 2 multiplied by 3. So here you can see, बेटा ये कैसे आता है? We will show here these three will be cut. So I have mentioned here. Okay. Now here 2 8 ja clear. Again I am going to explain. These three will be cut. Understood? Which I have mentioned here. Now speak the 2 table. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16. So 2 8 ja 16 I have mentioned here, I have explained here, and same step I have repeated here. Understood? Okay, so remaining number is 8. So it is your answer. Okay, question number 4 is equal to 5 upon 6 multiplied by 2 integer 3 upon 7. So here what we have to do, we will convert into simple fraction. The 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3. The 2 7 are 14. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. The 5 upon 6 multiplied by 17 upon 7. Okay. Now we will multiply by all the numerators and all the denominators. So 5 multiplied by 17 upon 6 multiplied by 7. Okay. So 17 5 ja 85 upon 6 7 ja 42. Okay. So here you can see this is the improper fraction. So 85 divided by 42. So 42 2 ja 2 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. Okay, so 42 2 ja 84. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So what is answer? The answer is 2 integer 1 upon 42. 2 integer 1 upon 42. So it is your answer. So my dear students, today I have completed question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, so question number 5, 6 and 7, it is a practice question. You have to do at home also, and you have to copy in your CW book also. This is the homework questions. Understood what I am telling you? So again I am telling you, beta, if you didn't understand regarding this topic, so you can put your message in the comment section box. Yeah, you can contact me directly. So inshallah I will try to give proper solution. Okay, we will meet in next video very soon. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.